Farmlife is a new paper collection from our friends at Mintay over in Poland. And this, like all of their paper packs, is 12 by 12, or at least that's what we buy, are 12 by 12. And they all have a sheet of very intricate cutouts. And isn't this beautiful? There are 35 here. Now, of course, you probably aren't going to cut around every little sprig and every little detail, but certainly you can cut around them and they will make beautiful accents. So in this one, 35 detailed, and then you're going to get 12 sheets of paper. Now, this is a cardstock weight. They are double-sided, and you're going to get 2 each of 6 sheets. So let me show you what those look like. You can see why this is called Farmlife, because it's just very indicative of a farm. I love the artwork that they have. Isn't it just wonderful? Okay, so if you're a scrapbooker, you know where your photographs are going to go. If you're a card maker, okay, right here could be one. This could be another. Right here could be another. Here you've got another long one. Lots of ways to use them. And then, of course, you've got this, well, in this case, chicken wire on the back of it. Here is another, and on the back side, you've got some very distressed wood. Isn't that just pretty, with little bumblebees in there? And then this on the back side. Then you're going to have 2 sheets for a total of 12 cutouts. And aren't they nice? They're just really lovely. On the back side, you get the same thing, but a lighter version, so it's not as heavily embellished with the art. But I love the art. I think they're just great. So you're going to get 2 each of all of those. In addition, you are getting those 35 detailed cutouts. All of this in the Farmlife by our new friends from Mintay.